words. Please, anything you would like to share about yourself, about the company, your experience, please share with us. Ma'am, you really said he's very simple.
Very simple. When did you join the company, Sunil? कौन से year में? 2006. So it has been, what month was it? Because it's now more than what? July. So we are what? 13 and a half years? Yeah?
Yeah.
So 13 and a half years of great work. And you know, people like Sunil don't understand their worth, but you are truly, truly worthy of this award. Thank you very much, Sunil.
Thank you, Sunil. Congratulations again. Now, I'd like to ask Mr. Jay Prakash Yadav to please come here. Round of applause, please, for Jay Prakash Yadav.
So JP was working with MD Synergy, and you were doing patient statements, right? Right? Payments also. And then, so when I rejoined MSS, I wanted some of my good people to join MSS. And JP was one of them. And since the time go, he's never let me down. And so starting from a one-man show, even in MSS, you know, today I think from being one, now how many are you, 20? How big is your team now? 20, yes. So 20 times more growth. So JP has always been, you know, he's one person who can always walk into my office and share the challenges at work. He always believes that discussing them would, you know, create the solution. He never holds himself back. There's never a time when I feel there is lack of communication. There's never a time when I feel that something has happened in his process and I don't know. Every time there is, you know, I'm always feeling that yes, I'm in sync because JP hasn't come to my office, so I know everything is okay. And JP, thank you so much. Not only have you, you know, expanded your team, but your work is very, very precise and you're very diligent. And this is a great quality. And let me tell you, whatever each one has portrayed at work, I'm sure you're portraying it in all areas of your life. So I'm sure even with your families and everywhere else, you're portraying the same values. So thank you so much, JP. Congratulations.
Hello everyone. Thanks Payal ma'am and PMC for this honor. It's not actually for me, it's for especially for my team who always support me all the way. And I learned every time from lower to higher level, including Payal ma'am and all other processes, including AR team. So it's a good experience. I learned so many things. Always experiences are good, not bad. So we learned at every level. So thanks to all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Jayapal. Now, it's time to invite Mr. Sudarshan Negi.
So Negi, as we call him, has been diligently working in the payments team. There are times when we keep moving them into small nooks and corners in the office, but they never seem to mind. And they've always continued to work diligently without any challenges. This I must say for everybody over here, the managers, that there is never a major challenge in their processes. They run it so smoothly. So thank you, Negi. How many years has it been for you? 13 years, okay.
Wow, 13 long years.
And before Trump came, we were hopeful that we'd take all of them to the US. But then Trump happened. So now really pray that Trump doesn't win his next elections, so that we can have all of you, whoever's getting the trophy today, into the US office. Congratulations, Negi.
Congratulations. Few words from your side.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरे लिए सबसे ऑनर की बात ये है कि मैं पायल मैम ने मेरे को इस हेलो मेरे लिए ऑनर की सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि पायल मैम ने मेरे को इसके लिए दिया, ये अवार्ड दिया है, और ये मेरे लिए नहीं, मेरी पूरी टीम की तरफ से है, तो ये सब टीम वाला है। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Mr. Negi. Now it's time to ask Mr. Sandeep Kumar to please come on the stage. Applause for him.
Sandeep, I didn't know you were this popular. Okay. So whenever I looked at Sandeep, because his brother-in-law used to work for me, and he came in as the brother-in-law to Deepak, right? And so I also looked at him as a bacha of the company, and but he's always proved that his maturity is far more than what he really looks. He still looks very young. And I must say that there was a time when his mother was battling through a fatal sickness, and I know that it must have taken a toll on him. But it was very, very heartening to see how, without even I mean, if he had asked me that, ma'am, can I go for a month's leave, I would have given it to him. And knowing that his mother was so unwell, but he was so diligent about his work, he was so responsible, that it's only when things became really bad did he take leave, and that also was not too many leaves. So I truly appreciate that, and thank you so much, Sandeep, for all the work that you do. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Sandeep. Round of applause for Sandeep once again.
Hello everyone. First of all, Happy New Year all.
सेम टू यू भाई।
ये अचीवमेंट सिर्फ एक बंदे के काबिल नहीं होती है, बिल्कुल जो पूरी टीम जो होती है, टीम वर्क जो होता है, उसको डेडिकेटेड है। इट्स डेडिकेटेड टू माय टीम, इट्स अ बिग अचीवमेंट। थैंक यू सो मच ऑल। एंड सक्सेस जो है सिर्फ एक चीज़ पे नहीं डिपेंड करती है, इट्स डिपेंड ऑन 3 कीज: हार्ड वर्क, मोटिवेशन एंड डिटर्मिनेशन। थैंक यू सो मच। Thank you.
You could see the maturity level. Amazing. So all of you clapping are from his team or from the day
Other
shift
teams.
also? From the day shift also?
Yeah.
Wow. What do you do, Sandeep? How come you got so much popularity?
So it's time to ask Mr. Vinod Singh to come up over here.
Come on, Vinod. This is highest applause will have go. आप इनको क्या कुछ खिला पिला के आए हो? Okay. So Vinod is somebody who is, who was the naughty one in the company. And definitely there were times when I thought that, okay, now I still have to have one more talk with Vinod. And but I think he's really turned a new leaf as such, that I really feel that being with everybody else, and also he's really made that change, which is wonderful. Congratulations, Vinod. And again, thank you for all your work. I mean, you have a lot of work which is very active, and you have to do it on a daily basis, and there is no delay, because that can create some, delay in other things in the US. So many congratulations. Please keep up the good work. I will be very happy to tell you that I'm very proud of you.
Hello everyone. It's an honor for me for this award. I would like to thank you with my teammates, for Payal ma'am. This is all for you. Thank you so much. I advise all for you to do your work for your best of your ability. Thank you.
Thank you.
Again, so this Jake Kulyal is here. Yeah?
For so long. Okay. Would somebody come and share a little bit about your families? I think all of you, if you can please come on stage. I want to hear. I know Ram's son is doing really well in studies. And where is Ram? Ram, please come. Please share a little bit about your family. something that you can share with pride.